It's our responsibility to create awareness amongst our dear ones and friends around the world, to plant trees, clean up the surroundings, and take actions against those that harm animals. We also request people to save water and energy at their respective places as much as possible. Life can be very simple and fulfilling if we follow certain principles, and trust me, these simple formulas cost no money and involve no hassles, yet prove to be very effective. World Environment Day is celebrated to raise awareness about nature and the significance of protecting environment for present and future. Nature's gifts are rare and cannot be purchased from money. It is important that each one of us wake up before it's too late. Don't smoke in the public places or dump garbage in the open area. These small beginnings will certainly lead to a better place for survival. Let's plant the tree